Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say the name of this French physician and musician from history. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but sometimes confusing French names, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say that? Well, for reference, in French in France it is said as René Laennec, René Laennec. Therefore, in English it is generally said as René Laennec, but it should be really said as Laennec, Laennec, René Laennec, from French René Laennec. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.